In our previous discussion, we have been able to look at how to use Sparkline and Chart to visualize data in Excel. Another way that which we can track a data or an information in Excel is by using the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows us to have a look at in the midst of complex options and data. We can spot out some particular information we need to look into in the worksheet. So in this worksheet, I want to identify those who are not meeting targets. This is a record of certain employees who have been given targets to meet up with on a monthly basis in their sales distribution. So to do that, I will have to highlight the part which I want to insert conditional formatting. So having highlighted the parts I want to insert conditional formatting, so on the Home tab, locate conditional formatting. So the option we are choosing here is greater than. There are other options there as well, like less than, between, equal to, text to contains, delete a recurring duplicate value. So but I want to choose greater than. So who is exceeding the expectation? So and the benchmark or the target is around maybe 3,000. So immediately I type 3,000, we see a couple of people who met their target. So you can also have other options like other options for formatting like green or yellow. So when you are okay with this, then just click OK. Also, there are other conditional formatting presets that we can make use of. While the sheet is still selected, let's go back to conditional formatting. Then there are three types of presets you can find in conditional formatting. There are three types of presets you can find there. So the first one is data bars. Data bars has to do with the size and the length of bars according to the rate of performance, as you can see. The second one is color scales. The color scales format the background for each and every rows of individual or the salesperson according to the figures in the sheet. So then also there's icon sets. Icon sets has to do with labeling those figures according to their performances. So there are a lot of them there, so you can explore and make use of them. So let me select this one for example. You can see this one are down and strictly below the target, while others above and some are within the target. So in order to delete or remove conditional formatting, simply goes to the tab, this command tab here. So when we click on clear rows, we have some options there. Clear rows from selected cells, rows from entire sheet, clear rows from this table. So you can also make use of manage rows manually, like a custom option. So you can select you want to remove probably the icon set or set value of 3,000. So there are two rules there. So you can delete the first one, click OK. So it's a very great tool in Excel if you want to have a look at some important items or information in Excel. Thank you. See you in the next one.